Welcome back. Today I'm going to do a really quick little review. One of my viewers have highly recommend for me to get these type of clear press-on nail kit that comes in usually 100 to like 800 pieces, and you can match them to your nail bed and then paint them the way you prefer. I usually have always bought the Kiss press-on nails that's already been designed, and I just put glue on, apply it on, and it usually will last me a good 2 to 3 weeks, but I've never tried the clear one. So I'm kind of excited. We're gonna apply it on like my typical press-on nails, and then I'm gonna let you guys know by the end of the video if it holds up to my standard, which is a minimum of 3 weeks. So I'll actually tell you guys if it's worth your money or not. And then the thing that is a little bit different than the typical press-on nails that I usually wear is because the artwork is not on the nail, I'm actually gonna need to paint my nails, which I suck. This is the reason why I wear press-on nails, you guys, because I suck at painting my nails and I don't like having polish. I hate the smell of it. I've heard so many people saying that these sets are amazing and that you could do a lot of things with it. So I'm kind of excited at the same time. So I picked up a couple of different type of nail colors. I haven't decided if I'm gonna go more natural, nude, or color for the fall. I have the glitter from my last video, so I might even add a little sparkle on top. So stay tuned and we're just gonna go step by step. It's pretty simple. Now I grabbed this one. It comes with 100 piece in the kit. It also comes with the glue. It does not come with the other buffers or filer that you're gonna need. So if you are gonna try out this kit, I highly recommend go get a nail file because it's really gonna make it a lot easier. We're gonna have to shape the nail to fit the nail bed, or like sometimes it's just too long and I need to file it down a little bit. So you're gonna need this nail clipper. And then another thing that I highly recommend is to always have alcohol if you're gonna wear press-on nails. As you can see, it's pretty simple, but because it's clear, I could kind of see where the glue is. I'm gonna do a couple more just so you guys could get a better close, and I'll try to do as close up as possible. So again, we've already roughed this, we already dehydrated. I'm just gonna put the glue. Another thing that I didn't mention is that it's very important for you to push your cuticle back. You have two options. You could either use your nail itself, so the part that's gonna go on your, underneath your cuticle. You never wanna put it on top or sitting on top of anything. You want it to sit underneath the cuticle as smooth as possible so it looks like your natural nail growing out, especially if you don't want it to get caught to your nail or cause any lifting. So take the nail bed, lightly push it back a little bit. If you're nervous about breaking the nail, I highly recommend to get a cuticle pusher. So again, all we're gonna do is push it back a little bit. Once you feel like the cuticle is back and it looks like it's just sitting right underneath that, we're just gonna apply the glue. So I noticed this glue is really watery, so you have to be very careful. You don't want to overdo it and it spill everywhere because it sucks when it gets onto your cuticle or even your skin. So I'm just gonna push it back. Now, this is another important key that people don't pay attention to, and then they end up having crooked nails. It's important to have this forward and your nail bed, and I know it's hard to catch on camera, but you want to place it. So if you're gonna do it sideways, before you tap on it hard, you do need to look if it's straight before you glue it, because once it's glued down, you can't move it. Now, one thing I noticed right away that's different with this glue is it absorbed the nail so fast and it just seems to dry. So you do want to make sure you work fast, but at the same time that your nail bed is straight, because if it's not, it's gonna look crooked when you're done. So just like that. Like that. I'll do a couple more just to give you guys an easier visual. So not bad so far. So even though it felt really thin, but because the nail, 90% of it is sitting on your nail bed, it doesn't feel as thin once it's applied on. But we'll know once I wear this for a couple weeks. Again, the glue is really watery, so one drop and then lightly spread it. Don't over put it because it'll get on your cuticle. Yeah, this glue, I've never worked with this glue. It dries really fast and it's really watery. So I'm just gonna tap some off. Then we're gonna go. Yep. And then apply. Yeah, my recommendation to you is that work fast, because this one dry really fast. So far, It's easy to apply, but at the same time, I think if you're doing this for the first time, it could annoy you a little bit that the glue pulls too fast because you don't have room to fix it if it is crooked. Okay, so now it's time to paint the nail. I haven't decided which color I'm gonna go for, if I wanna go for lighter. I think I'm gonna do lighter since I've never worn these before. I will really wanna see the quality of it so I could give you guys a real review. So I'm gonna finish off my other hand and then we'll start the painting. We're actually gonna go for this color, just nude. It could actually go with a lot more things. Which one's more pretty? It's weird. It's a lot more watery than I thought. Ooh, it went on pretty though. What a beautiful color. Oh my gosh, this feels weird. I have not painted any nail in so long. That's actually not bad. Look at that color. You know what? It actually looks really pretty. It almost looks like your natural nail. I'm just curious to see if this will actually stay on because I haven't done it in so long.
So I'm just gonna paint. It's a lot. Add a little sparkle, why not? Let's see. Oh, I like it. How's that look, guys? Do you like it? Which one looks better? Did I just screw it up by adding sparkle like I'm 5 years old? Yay, I'm done. I made it. Okay, I made it. It's actually really pretty. It turned out a little bit better than I thought, and I guess I'm still okay with painting nails. It's not as difficult as I thought. I don't know why, I really hate painting nails. But now that I've done it, it wasn't too bad. I just can't stand the smell.
Guys, so I have been wearing it for about 3 weeks now and I am in awe on how well they turn out. Also, to tell you the truth, out of the whole experience, the glue was what shocked me the most. When I opened the glue, it was really, really watery and you had to work really fast. But now that I've had these on for like 3 weeks, that glue is amazing. So for you guys out there who have tried press-on nails and just did not get any good result, from your press-on nails, I highly recommend to change up your glue because look, 3 weeks, cooking, moving with the children, they still sat on so beautifully as if it was a brand new set. The only issue that I ran into is the thumb was a little bit long, so I seriously had to file it down a little bit. Also, I am so impressed with these nail polish. I'm actually gonna go grab some more and do another review on these because they have not chipped. They did come out watery, but they just bond onto your nails so beautifully. So I'm gonna paint my natural toenails and see if they last as long as they did on my press-on nails. Then I'm gonna demo a couple other colors also, maybe some fall colors, just to let you guys know if the polish will hold up to any type of nail bed or fake nail. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.